How's it going, everyone? Cole back with you from Kelowna Chevrolet. Behind me is a 2021 Chevy Equinox LT. Let me show you around this midsize SUV. So powering the all-wheel drivetrain is a 1.5 liter turbo with a 6-speed automatic transmission. You see these black alloy wheels, very sporty looking SUV. You got the tinted windows in the back. Coming to the back here, got 60/40 folding rear seats, and you also have a storage bin below. Accident-free, one previous owner on this SUV, as well as it is certified pre-owned. And coming into the interior here, you got your mirror and window controls here. You got these premium cloth seats with the brown stitching. They are powered as well. Here is your cruise control settings. You have lane departure and front collision on this SUV as well. Here's your audio and hands-free. Only 17,493 kilometers on this. Infotainment screen, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay compatible. There's your climate control, heated front seats, and you have your USB inputs in the storage bin there. There's your gear select and your park brake. Now this button in front here is to engage and disengage your all-wheel drive. So if you want it to just be front wheel, you hit that button there. And here is your center console. And coming into the back seat here, you got your cup holders in the middle to bring down the 60/40 folding rear seats. You just pull that button there. Thank you guys for watching this video on the 2021 Chevy Equinox LT. For more information on this midsize SUV, reach out to us 250-860-6000, or you could always drop by our dealership. We're open Monday to Saturday 9 to 6. Thank you guys again for watching. Have yourselves a great day.